Alfred here, Brock's Fish Garage, and what we're looking at here is some carpeting that we were getting rid of and that had been given to us that we put down out here to keep the weeds down, and did a fairly good job, especially here in this area. Of course, the rest of it has to be, we're not going to do no-till this year. We're going to be doing some tilling right now, but we're not doing it right. We didn't do it right away at the very beginning of the season because we wanted all the overwintering insects and other creatures that were living in the ground to have a chance to get out and get around. Now we're going to take this up in the next few days. We'll be tilling it up and everything, and what we're going to do is get rid of the carpeting in a responsible manner. We're going to wrap it up, tie it up, and set it outside so that it can be taken away by our sanitation folks. So there's the first look at what we're working with, and actually it's a little larger this year than it has been because some trees were taken down on the fence line. All right, so there it is. Thank you.